Alys Beach is probably one of the prettiest places that you could go anywhere. The white sand, water's beautiful. Some of the grass doesn't even look real. Obviously, it's a great setup because it sells out. There's incredible food, burger bites, ribs, and they'll have barbecue. They have all sorts of great beers. And then they have a ton of different whiskey. Then you get to sample every single one of them. And they have a tent that sells everything that we're tasting right there. And so you just walk outside and you can buy whatever you need. We've sponsored this event for 3 years, and I've been coming for 5 years. To be able to get to have fun and have a charity event where you know that every penny that you spend is going back to the charity. I mean, it's just fantastic fun and good people. When I saw that there was an opportunity to come in here with whiskey, I jumped at the opportunity because we have a distillery. This has been a great event for us. If you get the chance to sponsor an event for the 38 Wine Festival or B3, do it. I mean, you're giving to a great charity, and it's probably going to be the best one you do. It probably is.